Hello web developers, in today's lesson I'll show you how to use the HTML datalist element to add autocomplete suggestions to an input field. The datalist element defines a list of predefined options that user can choose from while typing. As the user starts entering text into the input field, a drop-down list of matching suggestions will automatically appear, making data entry faster and more convenient. To connect the input field with the data list, the value of the input elements that list attribute must match the ID of the data list element. Once they are linked, the browser will display the predefined options whenever the user types in the input field. How it works. The list attribute on the input reference is the ID of the data list. As the user types, matching options appear in a drop-down. The user can either select one of the suggestions or enter any custom value, and you can also generate the options dynamically with JavaScript, which I will explain in the second example. That approach can be useful for when your options come from another JavaScript data source. So let's first see the code. Here you have one HTML file, doc type, and you have form on line 10, and in the input inside the form you will see this line, number 16, value of the list attribute should be the same as the value of ID attribute of data list element. Once they're the same, we can see what means autocomplete here. Let's see in the browser. So choose a fruit. I can do A, P, grape, pineapple, apple. Okay, I send it. Do I have something on P? Yes, I send it. The second example, as you can see, I use here script for JavaScript, and also I have ID in data list element. So in the browser, what does that give? I see new. Okay, I see. I don't see anything there, so P. Okay, Paris. If you like this video and you want similar videos, you can subscribe to my channel, which will motivate me more. Thank you for watching.